guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a product empties video. I don't even remember the last time I did a video like this, but I've been collecting these products since a lot of months now, and I think I have a lot of them now, so it's high time I really have to film this video now. So before we begin with the video, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please make sure that you guys subscribe first and hit the bell icon besides it. Please subscribe for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos. And now let's get right into the video. So if you guys don't know what product empties is, it's basically all of the products that I've finished in the past couple of months, all of the makeup and skincare products and also hair care. So I'm going to tell you guys which products I'm going to repurchase and which products I'm not going to repurchase. So let's get right into the video. So I have a bag full of these products and I also have some products lying around over here. I'm just going to randomly put my hand in this bag and show you guys which all products I've finished. Firstly, starting with the Kaya Brightening Beads Cleanser. This is how it looks like. It's basically a face wash and it's actually a really good face wash. I remember like I got done with this product a while back and I still have this. So this face wash has AHA, it has vitamin B3 and E, and it suits all skin types. So this particular cleanser is actually an exfoliating cleanser. So this is that one specific cleanser which will not make your skin dry. If you guys have dry skin, then you will really like it. I genuinely really enjoyed using this cleanser, but one thing I can say is that you cannot use this every single day because it has like exfoliating particles. So yeah, I don't need to repurchase this product because I already have a backup and it's like a bigger size tube. So I'm definitely gonna continue using this cleanser. The next product is this Sukin Signature Foaming Facial Cleanser. I have so many cleansers. So this is how it looks like. I remember receiving this in PR and I really enjoyed using this. It's a great cleanser and I really love the size as well, but I don't think I'm gonna repurchase it. Like, I really loved it. I have nothing negative to say about it, but yeah, I just have other like really good face washes and face cleansers that I would prefer using above this one, but this one was a really good one. The next product is Emollient and this is how it looks like. I've spoken so much about this product. I really love this moisturizer. It's actually propylene glycol cream and I've used like a million tubes of these, like I'm not even kidding. And as I always say, the packaging really sucks. It always breaks. But yeah, I've used so many of these tubes and I will continue to purchase this product again. But currently, like for my skin, I'm gonna tell you guys what is really working for my skin right now. Right now my skin is acting really weird and it's extremely patchy dry. So Emollient is a great moisturizer, but currently some other moisturizer is working really well for me. The next product that I have gone through is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water and this is how it looks like. It's a full size bottle and I've already finished half of the bottle that I repurchased after buying this one. So I will continue to use this product in the future. I will repurchase it like a million times because I really love this and it's very affordable as well. It's literally the best thing to remove your makeup. Then I have another face wash and this one is the Simple Refreshing Face Wash. This is the Kind to Skin range and this one is actually my favorite face wash. I really love it. It's very affordable and it's just so nourishing and hydrating for my skin. I love this for my specific skin type. So this is something that I'm definitely gonna repurchase. I am currently using other face washes because I receive a lot of face washes in PR and I have to use it obviously, but this one is like my specific favorite and I will definitely repurchase this. The next product that I recently emptied is from Mother Sparsh. This is their plant powered range and it's their Shea and Cocoa Body Butter. This is how it looks like. I gave you guys a nice review on Instagram about all of the Mother Sparsh products, but you guys can see it is completely empty. I loved this so much, especially for winters. Like I literally emptied this product within a month, I guess. Like I loved it so much. It was like a nice thick nourishing body butter. I've never used something like this before and it was very amazing. Like it smelled so good. It smelled like cinnamon and very chocolatey, and I just loved this. If you guys want to try one product from Mother Sparsh, then definitely try their body butters. They're really amazing. And also, by the way, it's an organic brand, so they don't have like any harsh or toxic chemicals in their products. Next, I also emptied a body mist from Bath & Body Works. This is in the variant Beautiful Day. It is such a great body mist. I used to use this every single day, and I'm definitely planning to repurchase this one. It was really affordable as well. This retails, I guess, only for 500 and something, 595, and I got it during some offer. Definitely buy Bath & Body Works products during offers because they're really affordable during that time. But Bath & Body Works is like my favorite fragrance brand, and I really love this fragrance. It smelled very citrusy and very fresh, so it was perfect for everyday use. Next, I emptied a body lotion, and it's actually something that my doctor had recommended to me, my dermatologist, and this one is by Dr. Reddy's, and it's the Venusia Max Intensive Moisturizing Lotion. This is how it looks like. I've never shown this to you guys, I guess, but it's something that my dermat has recommended to me for my body, and I really love it. It is so moisturizing. I have used again like a lot of bottles of this one. I've emptied so many of them, and I already have a backup, and I will definitely continue to purchase these body lotions. So earlier this body lotion used to contain paraben in it, like even on this bottle it says that it has paraben, but the new bottle that I recently purchased has no paraben in it, and I'm really happy that this body lotion is paraben free now. So it's just perfect. If you guys have extremely dry and irritated skin all over your body, then you are definitely gonna love this one. Next, I have something from Body Shop, and it's my favorite hand cream. This one is in the variant Strawberry, and this is how it looks like. I think I emptied this hand cream like months and months back. I don't even remember. I've been holding on to this tube since a lot of months now, and I love this hand cream. This is literally like the most hydrating and nourishing hand cream that I've ever used in my life. And also this particular scent is just so yummy. If you're someone who loves citrus fruity scents, then you are gonna love this one. Next, I have some miniature skincare products that I've recently emptied. Starting off with, these are the Goodall Green Tangerine Vitamin C serum and the cream. I had received this entire vitamin C kit by Goodall, and I emptied these sample size products a while back, and I really love these. By the way, this serum, I have this in full size as well, and this one is also getting empty. As you can see, like I literally just have 5-6 uses left, and I love this product. Like Goodall products are my favorite, and it's definitely like one of my top favorite skincare brands nowadays. I'm really loving this product. So you guys can see how much I love it, and I'm definitely planning to repurchase this serum after I get done with this as well. Next, I have these miniature skincare products by Bioderma, which I received in PR, and I've already finished almost all of these. So I'm quickly gonna run you guys through these products. So firstly, I have these Bioderma Photoderm SPF 50+ sunscreen. This is how it looks like. I really love this sunscreen, but my only problem with this one was that it leaves a white cast on your face, and it does not sit well with my makeup as well. So I really love this sunscreen, but I just hate the fact that it never goes well with my makeup. So yeah, I think that's a bummer. But this sunscreen is really great. The other sunscreen that I have from Bioderma is this Photoderm SPF 30, and this one actually doesn't leave a very like evident white cast on your face, and also it's something that sits well with my makeup. So I think this one is your way to go if you want to buy a Bioderma sunscreen. I don't think I'm gonna repurchase the sunscreens because I already have like a big tube of my Neutrogena sunscreen, and I will definitely like have to finish that one first. But these sunscreens are really great if you're looking to buy Bioderma sunscreen. Next, I also finished these Bioderma Sebum Pore Refiner. This is how it looks like. I used to use this after cleanser, and I really loved it, but I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this because it's not that helpful for my dry skin. It's a great product on its own, but for my dry skin I just need products that are more hydrating and really like moisturizing on my skin. So my favorite product from Bioderma that I'm definitely gonna repurchase, like I'm literally placing an order today only, is the Atoderm Creme. This is how it looks like. Such a savior for winters. In November, December, I was using Emollient and that was working great for me. But then in January, my skin started to get flaky, dry and like very irritated. So Emollient was like not hydrating enough for my skin at that moment, and that's when like Bioderma's Atoderm cream was such a savior. Like this is like a thick, nice creme for your skin. I cannot even explain. It's like a balmy texture and it's just so amazing for extremely dry and irritated skin. It's a savior especially for winters, so this is something that I cannot live without now. So I'm definitely gonna repurchase this today itself. Lastly, from Bioderma, I have the Atoderm Intensive Gel Foaming Gel. This is basically like a face wash and I have literally completed these 2 tubes in a couple of days. I loved this face wash so much. I already have like a bigger size tube which I received recently in PR and I got so happy because this face wash is just amazing. Love that for my dry skin, and also I just love how gentle it is on my skin. It's non-fragrant and everything. It's just the perfect face wash for dry skin. I really enjoyed using that one and I'm still currently using it. So definitely gonna repurchase that one once it gets over. The next empty product that I have is my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask and this is how it looks like. You guys can see I think I just have one use left, which I'm gonna do right now after I get done with filming. So this is definitely an empty product. So this is literally like the one and only best lip product that I have ever used. I love it so much, especially for winters. It's just amazing, and even like in general it's literally the best lip balm or a lip mask that I've ever used in my life. Like it is definitely worth the money. Get your hands on this. I'm not even joking when I'm saying that this is literally the best lip product that I've ever used. It is that good and I'm definitely gonna repurchase this one. Now moving on to makeup products, I just have a handful of them, so let's get started. The first product that I have is this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. This is how it looks like. I have emptied only this one tube of Trendsetter and I never repurchased it because I found the perfect dupe for this lipstick. Even though this one is like my favorite liquid lipstick formula, I'm just not into liquid lipsticks these days. I'm more into cream satin finish lipstick these days. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this product as of now, but in the future I will definitely repurchase this particular shade. The next product that I have is Lakme 9 to 5 Black Impact Eyeliner and this is how it looks like. It's again like dried out completely. It's not over actually, it just dried out because I never like used this liquid liner that much. But it's a great affordable liquid liner. But now Lakme has their iconic liquid liner which is way better than this one, and that one is also very affordable. I think it retails only for 300 rupees, which is insane. So get your hands on that liquid liner instead of this one, and I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this one. The next makeup product that I have is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer. This is how it looks. This one is my favorite formula when it comes to concealers, and this particular shade is just amazing. It's in the shade Medium Deep and I have already repurchased a backup for this concealer. You guys must have seen this in my recent hauls. So yeah, I already have a backup of this concealer and I'm definitely gonna continue to repurchase this product. So with that, we come to an end of this product empties video. I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you guys did, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.